This is Panos at Ghent in Belgium. There are 110 shops in the Panos group offering a wide variety of freshly baked products. The shop in Ghent is situated in the centre of town, which means they have a minimum amount of space and a lot of waste cardboard boxes from their products. So they installed a Mil-tek Model 102 HD and an MT2 compressor. It has meant that they save time as they no longer have to flatten the boxes. They make 2 bales a week. A second baler has already been installed at another of the Panos shops, and they hope to soon equip all the shops with Mil-tek machines.